So when I say the danger is you want to stay well below 180 degrees for this process, because you could reflow the plastic. That's what it looks like when you reflow plastic. If we take this, because this is all fine and everything, and just kind of set it in here. Yeah, it shrank. Okay, let's take a look at the result. Let's take a closer look at the front bezel. And if you'll notice, might be a little difficult to see in this light, but we had to move the hole for the tab over. It didn't quite fit exactly the same. Very similar construction. The LED was in the right place. We didn't have to do anything with that. But the tab was a little further over, and so we had to re-drill a hole. You saw that in the time lapse. The other thing we had to do is cut the tab off of the lever here, off the back of the tab, and we did have to use the original lever because the lever that came with the floppy drive was a little different, and the mechanism was different. So let me take let's take this off, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the mechanism here. So if we operate the lever, this is how it works. It's got a very limited range of motion, as opposed to the newer floppy drive. This is the mechanism here, and this is just a basic. It's a plastic pin, and you can actually spin this all the way around. There's no limit in the motion at all. There's just a little divot where it would stop, that type of thing. So this is a simpler mechanism, but for all intents and purposes, it worked. It kind of looks like one of the Vic 1541s with the white case and the black bezel. This one I wasn't too concerned about getting everything exactly perfect. If I had to drill a hole, I had to drill a hole. Not a big deal, as long as the floppy drive worked and just didn't look like it didn't look naked. Otherwise, that worked really well. So until next time, thanks for watching.